Hey everyone, this is Cook Step by Step, and today I'm making dinner on a budget. For dinner tonight we have pork tenderloin, and this is a perfect size for two, and this costed me $3.29 at Aldi, and the potatoes, so altogether it's less than $5. This is already seasoned, so that's pretty much ready to cook. This is not only on a budget, but it's also a quick dinner. So, because the tenderloin is quite small, I'm gonna cut the potato veggies into smaller sizes because my pork is quite small, so I want to make sure that the potato doesn't take too long and everything cooks at the same time. I have my potato here, and I'm gonna season it. First, add some olive oil, so it's not all dry when it's in the oven. Now, gonna add my spices, starting with the salt, black pepper, thyme. Thyme and potatoes go hand in hand, and it's delicious. And I'm gonna add some oregano, and it smells so amazing. And to make it a little bit colorful, I'm gonna add a bit of a red paprika, like half a teaspoon. I'm gonna mix it up with a spoon because I do not like my hands to get dirty. You can toss it around like in the movies, but this bowl is quite small, and if I toss it around, it's all gonna fall out. That looks quite nice, and it smells really good too. Make sure to always oil your pan. Now, got my pork tenderloin, and I'm gonna try to open it. Kind of smells like Black Forest ham. And it looks amazing too. Not only smells amazing, but looks amazing too. So the bottom is kind of fattier. I'm gonna put it on the fattier side on the bottom. It smells so amazing. I can't even describe it. Whew. Now I'm gonna just put them all over on the side. I'm gonna cover up with the foil, so I do not want to make too big of a mess. Just put it on the side here. Yeah, this might have been a little too much for two people, but oh well. I'm gonna add a little bit more salt to the top, just to make sure it's salty enough. Okay, now we're gonna put foil on top. So let's see. Yeah, just to cover it up. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just get most of it in there. Yeah, I think this is good. Now into the oven at 350 for an hour, and keep an eye on it because we're gonna take this off in about half an hour. So I've got 27 more minutes on my timer. Off now. Oh, some potato with it. These look a bit dry, so I'm gonna put some olive oil on it. And we are done. Look at that. Oh, this looks so yummy. The potatoes look delicious and crunchy. The meat kind of shrunk, but that's alright. Perfect. Perfect piece of meat. And now, chop up and serve. Can you believe this is costing me less than $5? And this is just one plate. There's another one. So dinner for two, under $5. The pork is so soft and tender, and ugh, that's just making me super hungry. Bon appetit.